video, we will discuss about Databricks Data Engineer Series 4. So I will discuss what are the things we need to know before we attempting the exam. Definitely we need to have a hands-on experience in the Databricks platform because we need to know the PySpark and the Python language, SQL or R. If you have R, it's okay. And you want to know about how to write a code. For example, one requirement like you are getting a CSV file converting into Parquet format and storing somewhere. Okay, these kind of question you will get. Okay. And you need to some kind of question like they will give some code and you need to implement. You need to pick up which code is absolutely perfect in the filling position. So these kind of things we need to know when you have a hands-on experience. So my suggestion is you need to know how the things are working, at least how the blob storage or how the storage account need to connecting into the Databricks platform, and which are the code will help you to move into converting the data, and schemas are available, tables are available in the Databricks. Then I will tell you like for example, Databricks aggregate function, different kind of transformation we are using with the help of Databricks, and how we can connect this Databricks to Power BI or Synapse. See, these are the important concepts we need to know before attending these kind of exam. And there are, I already mentioned, there are 4 levels of examination are there. If you have fundamentally not aware about Databricks and all, you need to know what are the notebook, how the cluster implementation, and which are the helpful clusters and the shared and all these kind of things will help you. Thank you.